Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to scan for threats on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, and then we're going to scroll down to the privacy and security option, so security and privacy. And here you have the scanning for security issues on the top. It shows you that everything might be good or bad, but you can also press on it to open it up and get more details. As you can see, it's scanned and it says that my phone is pretty much safe. And you can also check the app security, so check for if any apps on your phone pose a threat to your device. So for me, everything is pretty much clean, so my phone is safe. But if there's a problem with your phone, it found something that's harmful, you can just complete the actions that your phone tells you to do. So for example, install an app or like reboot your system, stuff like that. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.